Hi, I'm Cliff.
And I'm Tom. We're the guys from Simoniz. Fix It Pro is a revolutionary clear coat scratch repair product.
Follow the instructions carefully. We've produced this video to help you in that process. Check it out.
Begin by shaking the Fix It Pro applicator thoroughly with the cap on. Prime the applicator on a separate surface. With the tip pointed down, press and release the tip until it is saturated. Wipe away excess if the tip is oversaturated. In a shaded area, apply Fix It Pro along and into the damaged clear coat. In cases of over-application, wipe excess away with a paper towel. When desired results have been reached, move the vehicle into direct sunlight and allow to cure. Dry time may take 1 to 48 hours.